Ugh, where's my train toy? I need to find it now. I am so mad. Is it right here? No! Is it right in the music player that I don't know? No, it's not there! Grrr! I can't find it! I need to calm down. I need to go to Brian. What do you want, man? I'm trying to find my train toy, but I can't find it anywhere. Do you know where they at? Do I look like you're stupid? Well, that's what the crap you get. Well, I know, Brian, but can I talk to Darren real quick? He likes to deal. Okay. Oh, yeah. You're right. Let me call that sneaky man. Huh? What was that? Hello? Hey, man. Hello, man. He needs to talk to Darren real quick, alright? Hey, Darren, have you seen my train toy? No, wait. Train toy? Nah, I do not remember that crap. Oh, I just saw that you were here and tried to take it the other day. Nope, I don't remember it. Alright, man, quit lying! I know that you got my train toy. You better bring it back. So nothing stupid. You better give me the train toy or I will get your mouse. Okay, listen. Not like you acting like an idiot. Crap, you idiot. Bye, piece of trash Rito. Stupid. Ow! Am I a joke to you? Don't you ever talk to him like that ever again, you understand me? Yes. Go to your room now.